Zlata Karlova, Grammar and Audio. Past simple. Translate from English into Russian. The marketing department launched a new package a few months ago. I'm pleased to inform you that our commercial department didn't need any persuasion, so we are ready to meet all your needs. These companies joined forces on the project last year. Why did you choose this career? What did you learn from the previous job? Gates, with no previous experience, no MBA, and no mentors, set about creating a new sort of organization, what he called a knowledge company. The knowledge company's raw material is brainpower. Last month, the Personal Financial Educational Group called on the government and financial services industry to stump up $2 million it needs to build on its success to date. The World Bank released a new report. At the beginning of the 90s, the financial systems in transition countries required massive structural change to meet the emerging market economies. Poverty levels rose significantly in many Europe and Central Asia countries during the early phase of the transition,